Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, CEO of the Family Office Club in New York City. Just at lunch break where we're having our workshop here at the Harvard Club. We had a guest speaker, Clint Arthur, who's talking about who you are matters more than what you do. And I think it's very true, but can be misinterpreted. And I think that the worst way to hear that is, oh, it doesn't matter what we do. We can do a bad job. We can not do the job at all and charge people for it. And it just matters who we are. Just position yourself and sell a lot, and that's what matters. And that's not true. What I've found is that the people who over-deliver are the ones that are going to grow their businesses over the long term. And I'm sure you've found that as well. That's how you get referrals. That's how you get repeat business. So when you hear that statement of who you are matters more than what you do, the way to hear it is that there might be 10 people with your level of experience in stem cells or self-storage or apartment building investments, but the one who's found most often, the one who's known by potential investors, the one who's known as the expert in the marketplace is going to win. And a lot of our workshops is trying to help you become that person. If you want to learn more, please check out capitalraising.com.